On the News Hour tonight, I'm joined by Sanjay Jha of the Congress, Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP, Devesh Thakur of the JDU, Rahul Narvekar of the Shiv Sena, Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party, Naresh Gujral of the Shiromani Akali Dal and Sankarshan Thakur of the Telegraph. And ladies and gentlemen, while I welcome everyone, and Sanjay is going to join us in a couple of minutes, I want to begin with one caveat, that story on Kishtwar, which was played out right on top of News Hour tonight about the communal violence which has taken place in Kishtwar, which has frankly been underreported through the entire day in most of the media, happens on a day when there have been specific inputs about Hafiz Saeed wanting to target the national capital. And therefore, our subject for debate is very simply this. At a time when India is facing a serious terror threat, once again, is communal politics compromising national interest? My first question is to Gaurav Bhatia, who's appearing once again on the News Hour after a long time and who didn't come on the News Hour through the entire period. Gaurav, we missed you when we were talking about what your party was doing in the Durga Shakti.
I missed you too. I missed you too, Arnab.
I'm glad to hear that.
I missed you too, Arnab.
I'm very glad to hear that. I don't know whether you're being sarcastic or otherwise, but I accept it. Now, Gaurav.
I mean it.
Well. Gaurav, Azam Khan says that the media is trying to project Durga Shakti as goddess Durga. What can be more desperate than that? What can be more communal than that? And this is coming from the same man who a week back said, Ram ke naam pe loot hai, loot sake to loot lo. Your minister is being so totally communal, he's being so desperate, trying to draw cleavage, that we are forced to ask you why you don't act against him. Is this kind of rank communalism, open communalism, invoking the name of gods allowed in national politics in any form?
Arnab, I had asked your team to provide me with any research data or pointed questions on my party. That was not done. But if you're asking me a question, I would say this, that Mr. Azam Khan is a very senior leader of the party. And you must also be aware that during the organizing of Kumbh Mela, he was the main person who organized the Kumbh Mela and in the right spirit and contributed. So he has very high regards for all religions. And to just take a sentence or a phrase from his speech and not showing the context in which he has said, I don't know anything about the comment that you're just citing, and in what
you're endorsing the comment.
Said,
you're endorsing the comment.
Communal.
Is it not a communal comment to make?
Please
No. Do you think it? No. You think it's accidental? Sankarshan wants to come in. One second.
I am making my point very clear.
Okay, good.
I am making my point very clear.
Go ahead.
If you allow me to complete my sentence.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm trying to say this, that there has been a lot of hue and cry about this comment that Ram Naam ki loot hai, loot sake to loot. And the media should also show the entire speech and the context in which it has been said. And then only can a debate or a discussion take place. He has the highest of regards for all religion. He's been against communal politics. He's been always talking about the rights of Hindus as well as people.
Why has Azam Khan given a communal twist by claiming... No. One second, Gaurav. He is claiming that it is the media who has depicted her or tried to project her as a Hindu goddess. I don't know what else. Why he is saying Durga Ji and everybody knows who the reference to Durga Ji is. So let's be very clear. And that my question to you is part of my broader theme. You want to communalize, but you are communalizing at the nation's cost.
Yeah, I was here to discuss.
If you are communalizing,
nobody informed me about this.
Well, if you are communalizing at the nation's cost.
We are not communalizing. I think Samajwadi Party is the only party which talks about people from all religions, and that is why to say that we are communalizing would be a wrong statement to make.
First of all, Gaurav, let's get... No, one second.
So it should not be read out of context.
Gaurav,
why don't you...
Gaurav, I don't... No, one second. Gaurav, first of all, give up the apprehension. I know you are apprehensive that on the News Hour tonight we'll once again take up the Durga Shakti case, and I know that your party is completely on the back foot on the Durga Shakti case, especially after the sting operation that we have done on your leader Naresh Agarwal. But you don't have to be worried about that. I am asking you about the communalizing at the nation's cost.
And let me now clarify, even on Durga Shakti, Arnab, I could not make it to your channel, but on other channels on merits, I defended the suspension, and the government still stands by it.
Now
so,
we-
you know, I think it is very fair on my part to ask for the details that what would be discussed in the debate to just know whether it is correct or
Now
not.
the
and in what
point,
context it has
you
been
see,
said.
you must
That
understand the
research should have
context.
been
You must
that
understand the
research should
context,
have been
Gaurav.
provided to me, Arnab.
Gaurav, the context is this, that Hafiz Saeed in his latest speech has said jihad should not be confined to one specific region, but it should spread in a big way in India. If Nawaz Sharif cannot liberate Kashmir, we will. Hafiz Saeed is saying that I want jihad to spread in a big way in India. Which is why I'm asking you, you have to now forget your communal politics. And remember your national responsibilities and say there couldn't be a worse time.
Arnab,
There couldn't be a worse time to play your communal game.
Irrespective of the party line. No, Arnab, I would say that the Samajwadi Party would be the first party to defend
Reactions.
the nation first. And cutting across party lines, all parties should come together. and
Reactions.
Samajwadi
I saw
Party would
Siddharth
lead
Nath
from the
Singh and
front,
Sankarshan
as
Thakur
was-
raise their hands.
As was evident.
Let's get a second round. Gaurav, Siddharth.
Arnab, let's understand. It's a very serious issue, and I must congratulate you for picking up this issue. No other channel has done that, and equally I must congratulate you for picking up the Sitwar issue, which no national channel has shown it since morning. It is something which relates to how the minorities in Kashmir Valley were pushed in 1980s. And I'm reminded of yesterday's article written in Hindustan Times by Shishir Gupta. What is the design of the Lashkar and the Pakistan ISI to bring India to the same level and the security problems of 1980s. So I think we are talking in a broader context. What is the security threat and the perception of security for India? And on that basis, do we as politicians should communalize the coming times and particularly the elections? Let me from here begin that it has been unfortunate that Samajwadi Party deliberately, let me use the word deliberately and accuse them, have been in the last 1 year trying to communalize the entire issue in UP. And let me also say, I come from UP and I'm campaigning there. I feel saddened when you go around and the word you used in the villages, and Gaurav, you must hear this, and I'm not mixing my word. They say, Hindu khatre mein hai, Samajwadi Party ki sarkar ke niche. It's a serious accusation. I'm not
Who
saying
says that?
it
Name
should
the
polarize
person.
and all that, but this is
Name the person. Who says that?
No,
Who
no,
said that?
it's a general.
Why don't you name the person?
Oh, it's a general Hindus who are saying that. No, honestly, I made a comment based,
don't
and I'm
understand.
saying
1
when
minute.
you go down to
By making
villages,
this comment itself,
they
you're
use this-
communalizing
No,
the
you asked him
entire
who. I
debate.
asked him who. He's not saying
no,
who.
no,
No,
Arnab,
one sec.
by
Gaurav,
making-
Gaurav, 1 minute.
Gaurav, allow me to
Communalizing the
speak.
No,
entire
Gaurav,
debate.
no, one sec. Siddharth.
Gaurav, allow me to speak
No,
this.
he says, you say, he's saying you name the
Gaurav, allow
person
me
who
to
says that.
speak.
Please.
He's saying you name the person who says that.
No, I'm not saying. There are villagers. When you go down campaigning in the villages, people use this language which saddens me and shows the divide why it is happening. And when I try to analyze, Gaurav, the analysis I get is, and the answer sometimes I get even from the thanas there, the SHOs and the COs. They say that we are restricted to file an FIR against the Muslim. And even if we have to file an FIR, we have to go down to their house. This is the comment, and that is where the communalism is spreading in UP,
May I come
and that
in
is
now?
under
Really?
your government.
Really?
This needs to
Really? So
stop
you're pleading
at a
innocence?
time when
No,
this
you're
entire
pleading
nation
innocence?
is being
Arnab,
So you are
taken
pleading. No,
under
one second.
Pakistan.
This is
No,
very
I'm not
interesting.
playing.
Very
I'm telling
interesting.
you the
So, no,
facts.
one second. 1 minute, Siddharth. 1 minute.
Please
Are you from
accept
the
what
same
I'm
party?
saying.
Are you
Don't
from the?
accuse
Are
me
you
for
from the
anything.
same party? Are you from the same party whose prime ministerial candidate is put up in posters with lines emblazoned, "I am a Hindu nationalist"?
Right.
Are you from the same party whose
And-
campaign in charge in Uttar Pradesh,
What is wrong?
Mr. Amit Shah, says,
Ayodhya
wrong?
says that I will be building
Yes.
the Ram temple in Ayodhya and I will be restoring Lord Ram to his rightful
let me-
place at a time when your party
And
said it will
Arnab,
not
it's
use the
not
Ram temple
communal
issue in the
enough to
elections?
say that Hindus in the state feel that they are threatened by
Can
another
I
community?
answer that?
No,
When
point
there
is...
is peace and harmony now?
I don't
Can
understand.
I answer Mr. Arnab Goswami?
No, one sec. Siddharth, chew
Can
on
I
that.
answer that?
You can answer briefly
Can I
because
answer that?
Sankarshan wants to come in and Sanjay Jha wants to
Let me
rebut you.
answer it. I'm sorry. If somebody says I'm a Muslim and I'm a nationalist, what is wrong in that also? A nationalist means that you say
You have nothing
India
else
is
left to
first.
debate? You have nothing
If
else
somebody
left to
says
say?
I'm a Christian and I'm a nationalist, what is
You-
wrong
you-
in it?
you want to-
Why
you-
anybody
you-
should object to
You
it?
see the... One second. Please understand.
Why you should object? And going to my faith, which is Hindu, and Ram
Chief
is
Minister
my
of
symbol
India
This is
of
precisely
faith.
my
that.
point.
Why
this is-
anybody should be
Siddharth, one
talking
second.
about it?
Siddharth,
I want to go, and honestly, I would love to.
Siddharth,
I don't want
get
to see him
all
in the
rhetorical,
tent
please.
after the High Court order.
Please understand, Siddharth, you have a national
No, I'm not.
responsibility.
Arnab,
No,
you
one
are-
second,
you are
Siddharth.
missing the
No,
point.
I'm not mixing
You
the
are
point,
missing the
Siddharth. What I'm
point,
saying
Mr.
today is
Arnab
this.
Goswami.
Please understand my point, Siddharth.
I feel proud
Please
in saying I'm a
understand.
nationalist.
Please understand,
and I'm
Siddharth.
a Hindu. There's nothing wrong.
Please understand, Siddharth. If you are a Hindu, you're a national, it's very good. But the point is, you're a politician first. You're a politician. And if you bring your Hindu nationalism or somebody brings their
No,
Muslim
sorry,
nationalism...
you're wrong.
1 minute, please.
Mr.
1 minute,
Arnab
Mr.
Goswami,
Siddharth Nath Singh. Don't
you
get me into a
are
typecast
utterly
debate.
You're wrong. I'm not a politician first. I'm Indian first.
Yes, so
I'm
Mr.
a nationalist first.
Mr.
Then I'm a
Siddharth,
politician.
you know,
That is the breed that I come from the last 3 generations of my
Siddharth,
family.
1 minute, Siddharth. You know,
That is what it is. That is where you go all
be
wrong.
patient
I'm
for
not
a minute?
a politician. I'm
Will you
an
listen,
Indian
Siddharth? Please understand. It's all nice.
Okay.
Every politician comes and
Yeah,
comes
yeah,
on the
sure,
news
sure.
and says one
I
thing.
say
I'm
something
not a
about
politician first. Very good. Congratulations. You are not politicians first. You're all Indians first. We are all Indian. But if you're an Indian first,
I'm an Indian
if you're an
first.
Indian first, then you should know that Hafiz Saeed has said, I want jihad to be spread in a big way in India. And people like Hafiz Saeed will be the greatest beneficiaries of Hindu-Muslim tension in this country. Right? So if you're a nationalist, regardless of
crush
your
that.
religion behind your nationalism, if you're a nationalist, you
crush
will say,
that.
we will not let the designs
No.
of Hafiz Saeed succeed. I throw the ball into Sankarshan's court. Sankarshan,
That's
your response.
right.
Sankarshan's response to you. Go ahead,
No,
Sankarshan.
I will crush that, and my leader,
Sankarshan,
my
don't
leader,
play into their
the
hands,
leader
Siddharth.
of opposition, Sushma Swaraj ji, has tweeted.
Don't
it is
neither
the
side.
Hindustanis who have suffered in Kiswar.
Sankarshan.
That is what it is.
Sankarshan. Entering
he
the
has
debate,
tweeted
Sankarshan.
That it is the Hindustanis who have suffered
Arnab,
in Kishwar.
Sankarshan.
That is the message we are carrying.
Sankarshan, I'm coming back to
Siddharth ji
Sankarshan.
will allow me to speak. Arnab, you know, I find this whole civilizational project of giving the sort of demographic majority in this country a minority complex very, very puzzling and troubling. For Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh to go to UP and quote people as saying Hindu khatre mein hai. Some people will say Islam khatre mein hai. I think the point that you've raised, is it Hindustan khatre mein hai? I think that issue
Desh khatre mein
nobody seems to be bothered about in this whole competitive communal race. And for people like Siddharth Nath Singh, virtually to say that, you know, that Hinduism is in danger in this country and protecting Hinduism is equal to
Shankar Singh,
protecting
understand,
India.
I never said that.
That's
You
the
are
argument.
misinterpreting.
And I find
I'm
it
saying
very,
the
very
villagers are
troubling.
saying that. Shankar
I am
Singh,
not. I
I'm
am
saying
not.
the
I'm
villagers
sorry,
are
I'm
saying
not.
that in UP. That
may
is
I-
what the danger is.
may I please
I'm
respond?
pointing
I
towards
know,
the danger,
but the
and you
court
wish
will-
not to. You wish to ignore it. I can't help it.
For a politician of some
You wish to
sophistication,
ignore as a journalist
for a
what is
politician
happening
of
in the
some
ground in UP
sophistication
because of Samajwadi
to-
Party dividing
play-
on communal lines.
May I please come in? Arnab, this
Oh,
is highly
Baba,
objectionable.
you know, your party.
No,
your
I'm just
party
correcting you,
has
Mr.
a proven
Shankar Singh.
record, Siddharth ji, of communalizing not just UP but the whole country in the manner in which the Babri Masjid movement
Country.
and the Ram movement began. I mean, how can we forget that? And how
Mr.
can we,
Shankar Singh,
how can we not remember any of those things?
please
and
look
speak from
inside
tabula
and
rasa
answer
reality as
first.
if-
Who opened the gates of Ram Mandir? Who opened the gates of Ayodhya?
Oh,
Please answer.
that is not
You
the
want to
issue.
open up
inside
all
and then
that.
answer
I
the
can see it.
journalist.
It's so transparent to me
That
tonight.
is the issue.
all.
It's so transparent.
politicized
It's
the
so-
Shabano
it's
case?
so totally
Please answer
transparent.
that. Mr.
It is
Shankar
so
Singh,
transparent.
if you
I
want
need
a
to go to the
serious
other panelists.
debate, please answer who.
Sanjay, I'm coming to you, but before that,
who
no,
in
no,
the
one second.
parliament,
You know
who in
something?
the parliament twisted on Shabano case in the Supreme
You see,
orders
you
of the
have got-
Supreme
you have
Court?
got-
If you can answer
you know,
that,
you know,
we
you-
will
you
have
know,
a good debate.
Siddharth, Siddharth, please understand.
That is
you
what
are
your
dealing.
party
You know
would
what?
have done
You are from
anyhow.
Uttar Pradesh. Then you realize one thing. 1 minute. You realize, and you take a decision tonight that Uttar Pradesh has suffered already the most number of incidents of communal violence in 2012. You can keep gloating about it and say the Samajwadi
34.
Party took over, they are responsible. Okay, they are
No,
responsible.
Arnab,
But
may
who
I please
suffers?
come in?
The nation
34 of them.
suffers.
I'm saddened.
The nation suffers.
the word I'm
The
saddened.
nation suffers. So you need to take the discourse
I'm
beyond,
saying I'm
beyond your
saddened.
standard politics.
The nation is suffering for this.
I'm going to
politics.
Devesh Thakur. Devesh, can
I'm
we?
saying
Devesh
the nation
Thakur.
is suffering for
Devesh
because of
Thakur.
this.
Devesh
You don't
Thakur.
want to believe.
Devesh
You
Thakur.
want to politicize.
Devesh
Because today, Mr. Arnab Goswami, you are politicizing the whole issue.
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, I am not. I am requesting you not to. You're politicizing the whole issue. I'm requesting you
I am
not to,
not.
sir. I'm requesting
I
you
am
not
not.
to politicize in the coming election. I'd like to take the opportunity to go across
I
to
will
Devesh
not-
Chandra
we don't.
Thakur, who's been listening on patiently to this.
Well-
1 minute. Gentlemen, let's get everybody in. Devesh Chandra Thakur, what do you feel about what Azam Khan said? Azam Khan made references to Goddess Durga and said the media had portrayed Durga Shakti as Goddess Durga. Do you feel his repeated references to Goddess Durga, Lord Ram, are necessary or appropriate?
No, I don't think they are necessary at all, Arnab, and I don't think they are appropriate at all. At the same time, sweeping statements from our BJP friend here on the panel that traveling across UP, he is listening to people saying Hindu khatre mein hai or Hindu dharm khatre mein hai. That's equally, I think, both of them are just equally to blame, and they are equally communalizing the whole issue and forgetting that the country comes into danger, and people like Hafiz Saeed, they gain, they are the beneficiaries of such tensions being created by both sides in the country. I think people should restrain themselves, especially the politicians, they must restrain themselves when they make such statements. And I have the same statement for both of them, for respected Mr. Azam Khan or respected Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh.
But why is the Congress quiet? Why is the Congress not taking on Azam Khan? Sanjay Jha, why is the Congress party
Well-
not saying that Azam Khan should not be making references to Goddess Durga and Lord Ram? Are you scared of him?
Not at
or
all.
Or are you also running after some form of twisted vote
Not
bank
at all.
politics?
No, not at all. Not at all. In fact,
Then why are you quiet?
no, Arnab, let me tell you, this is the responsibility of the Samajwadi Party because they are the ones who.
So you pass the buck.
1 minute. He's their party member. They say that they are a secular formation. They need to respond to that. That's for Gaurav to
You're
answer.
passing the buck.
But let me tell you.
No, let me tell you. Let me tell you. I want to know.
We are not going to comment on every political leader from another political
Why
party
won't
who's being
you?
irresponsible.
Why won't you?
I think the people of this country, and I'm glad
Why
you're
won't
raising
you?
the subject,
Why won't you?
are
I will-
intelligent enough to see through what I believe is extremely pathetic and pedestrian vote bank politics. The point that Siddharth Nath Singh has been making, and give me a minute to just ask him that question, because he said, and I think he said that no, we have, nobody from the party is playing communal politics. But I'd like to remind you, Arnab, Ashok Singhal of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad has made a statement just a few days ago where he calls Narendra Modi a divine creation who arrested a serious crisis within 72 hours, and he was referring to Gujarat, where he said he corrected a problem and says Modi is going to stop the de-Hinduization of India. Now that to me is a provocative and a blatantly communal line, and he's a very significant
Can I
member of the
give you
RSS
another example?
Yeah.
Can I give
And I
you
think
another?
that's something that we need to work
Hand goes up. One second. Counter question. Siddharth, one second. Counter question. Do you think Mulayam Singh
Arnab.
Yadav was being totally irresponsible when he brought up Babri Masjid demolition once again this week?
Well, let me
Please
tell you.
tell. No. I want. You said Amit Shah when he spoke of the rebuilding of the Ram temple, Sanjay. You went hammer and tongs
Oh, yeah.
against him, right?
Oh, yeah.
Why?
It's a matter is sub judice, it's the
matter is
Supreme
sub
Court,
judice.
yeah.
Then why did you keep quiet when Mulayam Singh Yadav brought up the demolition of the Babri Masjid this week? Who's vitiating the atmosphere, and why are you allowing him?
Well, let me tell you that at this point of time, the reason why I was in a panel discussion where I heard somebody from the Pakistani establishment making absolutely outrageous statements against India is because a lot of politicians today are being irresponsible. I think no matter whether the elections 2014 are
So
near
you
the
don't do
corner
vote
or
bank
far
politics.
off.
So you
No.
don't do you don't do this religious vote bank politics.
Let me tell you that we have a secular ideology and we are not playing.
Can
So-
I ask
so
him
when-
certain questions?
Yeah, okay. When K. Rahman Khan said that the Indian Mujahideen does not
Arnab,
exist,
may I
what was
please
their
come in?
ideology?
Sorry?
When K. Rahman Khan, Minority Affairs Minister, says that the people, maximum number of Muslims believe the Indian Mujahideen does not exist, what kind of politics was it?
Well, let me tell you.
What kind of politics
One
was
minute.
it?
As
No,
far,
what kind of
as,
politics
far
was it?
as the Indian Mujahideen is concerned,
Why did you not
I
rebut
think it's
him?
a responsibility.
No,
of
no,
the
no. Why did you not?
security
Why don't
agencies
give me the standard
to
argument? What
establish
kind of politics was it?
whether it exists and in
What
what
kind
form?
of politics was it?
Well-
When Shakil Ahmed said that the Indian Mujahideen was formed after 2002, which contradicts other facts, what kind of politics
Arnab,
was it?
Shakil Ahmed was quoting the NIA. It was not his own statement.
Well,
I mean, that's being unfair.
so I see you don't want to make a comment on Babri Masjid. You don't want to make a comment on Azam Khan's references
That
to
is
Lord
not
Ram
our
and Lord Durga.
responsibility. We are against any politician
so it is
or
only-
any political party that is trying to make a virtue out of
No,
what
why are you-
clearly
why are
is
you
a
very- no,
serious crisis that India
Well,
needs
that's
to
you're
be concerned
contradicting.
about.
You're very specific when it comes to talking about Amit Shah. I gave you 4 other examples. You ducked all. Why,
No,
Sanjay?
because end of
Why are you
day-
ducking it?
Listen, I can speak.
Why are you ducking?
I'm a spokesperson for the
Why are you
Congress
ducking,
party.
Can I ask him a
There is
question?
Gaurav Bhati on the panel.
Why
Ask
are
him
you
to
ducking?
explain.
No, I'm asking you.
Ask
Why
him
are
to
you
explain.
ducking? Why are you ducking?
Let me tell you, I'm not
Arnab,
ducking
can
at
I
all.
ask a
Arnab, the
Congress
point
question?
is,
Counters
one
coming
minute.
your way.
Today, when I am saying that Ashok Singhal,
Arnab,
and when
I would
RSS
like to
makes a
comment.
statement,
Counters.
when RSS says Hindutva is the only way to transform India, I'm not going to speak on RSS behalf. It's the job of Siddharth Nath Singh
Well, I think
to
I-
defend his big Sangh Parivar playing communal
Well,
politics.
I think you dodged 4 opportunities to
didn't.
answer that question.
No, I didn't. It's not.
You completely.
Let me tell you, the people of India are discerning
May I come in,
enough
Arnab?
Well,
to see what is a brazen communal
we're getting
politics being
responses.
Can I-
Siddharth,
can
you
I
want to
ask a
counter? I have
counter
yet to
question
go
to
across.
Mr.
Naresh Gujral hasn't
Arnab,
spoken.
may I
Neither
come
has,
in?
neither has Rahul Narvekar. Siddharth, I'll come to you, but after I go to Rahul Narvekar and Naresh Gujral. Rahul Narvekar, your response please to Sanjay Jha.
Well, what can we expect from the Congress spokesman? It's criticism, selective criticism, something which Congress has always professed. Till some time back, they had all the foul things to say for the Bihar Chief Minister, but you know how they reacted to the death of school children in Bihar. There was absolutely no comment from the Prime Minister, Sonia Gandhi, or from the Congress party.
that's true.
So leave that aside. Don't expect them to criticize at all. The point is, we are talking about communalism and politicizing communalism. Let me tell them that it is their home minister, not one, but on 2 occasions have spoken about saffron terror. So which is the party that has been giving colors to terror? It's the Congress party. So Mr. Sanjay Jha, before you grandstand on television, kindly make note of these facts as well.
Rahul
And number
Narvekar,
2,
Rahul Narvekar, the Home
whenever-
Minister, also took back that statement. So let's not carry on.
How many statements has the
And by the
Congress
way-
party
No,
made?
it
How
doesn't-
many
it
statements?
doesn't matter.
How many? Let him respond. Coming back to you.
It doesn't matter. The fact that you said it shows your ideology, shows how pseudo-secular you are and the ideology that you profess. Congress party is the only party in the
Shiv Sena,
history of this
Rahul
country
Narvekar,
that has
I hope you have
actively
read the Sri
participated
Krishna
in
Commission
communal
report
riots.
after
In
the Mumbai
1984,
riots.
the
Please do
Sikh
not lecture the
massacre
people
was
of
professed
India
by the Congress
on
party
communalism.
and no one else.
Rahul Narvekar, have you read the
And
Sri
what
Krishna
happened in
Commission
Mumbai,
report?
Mr. Narvekar, in
I mean, you
1993?
were hand in glove.
Which party
with the
participated
police
in
of
the riot
city.
in
What happened in
1992
Mumbai?
and
Yes, I'll tell you what happened in Mumbai.
Would you
in a
tell us?
blatant and a absolutely bloodthirsty manner.
Which party was,
Those are the terms
which
which are
party was
used in the
participating
Sankarshan.
in pogroms
One
all over Mumbai?
one-
I mean, you should not,
Sankarshan, one
you
second.
should not
Sanjay,
give us
one
any
second. Sanjay, one,
lectures
Sanjay,
and
one.
grandstanding on communalism.
Sanjay, 1 minute.
Shiv
One
Sena
minute.
stands
1 minute.
absolutely condemned on
Well,
that
I think
score.
you should rethink every word that you're saying because you need to realize this, that last month, and I want to know today how many questions of mine you will dodge, Sanjay. Because,
responsible for the Congress
because
party. I'm
just
not gonna
last
answer
month.
on behalf
Okay,
of
then
other parties
K. Rahman
and their
Khan.
indiscretions.
K. Rahman Khan is a member of the Congress party. He called for a special task force to monitor and review terror cases against Muslims specifically. That was another open way of playing the communal card because thousands of non-Muslim under trials are languishing in Indian prisons as well. So even on under trials, your party's minister in the government is playing communal politics and you won't respond on that either. This selective politics that you are doing will stand exposed. Sanjay, I'll come to you one more time.
The people will decide, but let me
Naresh
tell
Gujral,
you,
Naresh Gujral.
That's a hard question. Let me answer.
No, Naresh
No, let
Gujral.
me
I'll
answer.
come to you. One
If
second.
you notice,
Naresh Gujral.
every time
After
there
Naresh
is a terror
Gujral.
attack in India or any such violence, there is a tendency to assume that a certain members of the minority community
now, you know,
are to blame.
now, you know,
And I
Sanjay,
think
you'll
that
have to
has led to a lot of people being arrested, languishing and under trial, and later on being released and acquitted. So there is an issue. Now, whether that statement has to be seen in a communal color?
You have- after
possibly
having-
is
after
something
having
that
dodged five
as a
que-
party we don't approve of.
You have dodged
but there
five
is a
questions.
practical reality
You've
that
dodged,
we cannot
you've
ignore.
dodged, Sanjay Jha, you're on record having dodged 5 questions tonight on
I'm
the news
not.
hour, which is a record. I'm going across to Naresh Gujral. Yeah, Naresh Gujral, let's present a solution here. Sorry to come to you last. And then we have an open round. So we'll have complete set of counter questions after this. Naresh Gujral, is it going to be too idealistic to say that any party whose any senior leader issues the slightest communal comment will invite banning by the Election Commission? It is meant to be that way. Can it be enforced, do you think, in the run-up? Because there's a serious concern in the run-up to this general election about the communal card being played by some parties.
Arnab, first of all, I'd like to say that we all know that this country cannot survive without its secular fabric. Unfortunately, whenever its elections come near, whether it's the state assembly elections or the general elections, this kind of rhetoric comes center stage. And unfortunately, the so-called secularists, they try to play the politics of fear to garner the minority vote banks. The minorities today, and especially the youth, they want to be part of the national mainstream. They are concerned about the economy. They want education, they want jobs, they want healthcare. But deliberately, these so-called secularists try to take the debate elsewhere. Today we should be debating the economy. That is what is today on its knees in this country. But unfortunately, just to garner the votes of the
No, name the
minorities,
parties. Let's be very
this
direct.
kind
Name
of
the parties.
rhetoric-
Who are these parties? You're talking about the Samajwadi Party, the
we all
Congress
know who
Party.
these-
Which parties?
We all know who these so-called
Name them. I
secularists
don't.
are,
I would like an
including
elaboration.
the Congress Party, including the Congress Party, all these parties who thrive on Muslim vote banks. They don't. They
Bahadur-
What's
disregard
it?
other minorities.
1 minute.
Mr.
1 minute.
Bahadur,
What
They
is
feel
your
that other
view?
minorities
Mr.
have very little vote share.
1 minute.
What is your view on a lot of people from the agricultural community from Punjab being driven out of Gujarat? I just wanted to ask
No,
you.
1 second. Since you're trying to take over the role of an anchor and I don't intend to allow you that pleasure,
No, you
I
keep
would
your
like to
job.
ask
You
you.
keep your job.
I would like to ask you. Thank you, Sanjay.
Everything doesn't
Sanjay.
begin with Gujarat and ends with
Sanjay-
Gujarat.
Sanjay's
yaar.
alter ego
Have
is that
some
of a television
larger
anchor.
vision for India.
Very often.
Please allow me
One
to
second. Sanjay, you invited that. And I'm asking
Don't
Gaurav
be so
Bhatia and
obsessed,
you.
Sanjay, with Gujarat.
No, 1 second. I'm talking
Arnab,
about the
before
present.
you ask me any question, can I just make 2 comments, please?
Can I ask you a question, please?
I want to respond to Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh.
Okay,
No,
go ahead.
Mr. Siddharth, I
All right,
was
go ahead.
patiently waiting because I wanted to respond.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh says that, a lot of feedback is coming from different districts in UP where people are saying Hindu khatre mein hai. I feel that this itself is a very communal statement. And I have visited more than 30 districts of UP and there is communal harmony. There is no question of any person, be it from the Hindu religion or any other religion, feeling that, there is tension or there would be any, problem with him. So I don't know why Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, being such a senior party leader, is making such a comment when the topic itself
Can I
is
answer,
whether
Gaurav?
parties are communalizing or not, and this statement itself shows. And secondly, I would say on the poster
Gaurav,
saying that
can I
I am a
answer you?
Hindu nationalist, that Mr. Narendra Modi actually is the chief minister. He represents the state. Under the constitution, the state would have no religion. And what message is he sending to the people when the poster itself displays this word? So they have to be religion neutral, and
Gaurav,
the state cannot
let
have
me answer
that
you.
is why it is wrong
Yeah,
that
answer,
he's saying
answer,
that I'm a
Siddharth,
Hindu
answer.
nationalist. So on
Let Siddharth answer.
yeah, please respond.
Gaurav, with all due respect, Gaurav, with all due respect and humility, I was giving you a feedback when I said also that I am saddened when I go around there. The intention is not to communalize but to give you a feedback. Since you represent Samajwadi Party, if you don't wish to accept my, whatever feedback I am giving, I am willing to take it back. It is up to you to believe or not to believe, and I gave you a
with all
reason
humility,
why
I think
people are
Mr.
saying this
Siddharth
and they
Nath
feel in the
that your
villages.
feedback is
Now,
not
hey,
correct.
hang on.
And for you to say such a thing, to say such a thing, on national
let it be.
television
Na,
is definitely not welcome.
Gaurav, let me complete myself. Gaurav, I think you are decent enough to allow somebody. You have raised a question. Allow me to complete it. So be little generous. I have just given you I have no intention to communalize. I will be the last person to even think in those lines. Please, please hang on, to do it. But it is a genuine, and there is a reason why I gave also. Now it is for you to take it or not to take it. Leave it there. Now, as a matter of fact, it is we as a nation, and we all are youngsters. You are much younger to me. I would be more than happy that this election is not communalized, because there are serious issues which the nation is facing, and certainly across the border people.
Then why did Amit Shah talk about the Ram Temple the moment he landed in UP?
Yes, Mr.
Why not talk? I will. I don't know which type of Hindu you are, Gaurav. When I went there, I went to Ayodhya. Hear me out. Please hear me out.
Siddharth and Gaurav Bhatia.
Please hear me out now.
Siddharth Singh and Gaurav Bhatia, I want to get the others.
I will not stop.
You must hear me, Gaurav. Don't be aggressive tonight.
No, you must hear me. When I went to Ayodhya and I saw Ram Lala in a tent, in a dilapidated tent, my emotions were also charged. How can I see somebody, a High Court, saying that this is the birthplace of Ram, and as per my
Siddharth, I know you want to discuss that.
I say, no,
Siddharth, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute, Siddharth. 1 minute, Siddharth. My question is this: the worst thing any political party can do? The worst thing any political party can do is create communal tension when there is none. Is to create communal tension when there is none. Now, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia just lectured all of us on the News Hour about how he wants communal harmony. 1 minute. I heard Gaurav's lecture.
I did not lecture. I was just placing my views.
Now I want to ask you this, Gaurav. Okay, so you said it. Now listen to me, Gaurav. You listen to me, Gaurav. You played communal politics following the suspension of Durga Nagpal. You said your reason to...
We did not.
You listen to me. I will prove to you now that you did. You said your reason to remove her was to reduce communal tension. Now, members of an organization affiliated to the UP Waqf Board themselves went on record to say there is no communal tension in the area and welcomed the demolition of the structure. Therefore, it is proven that you were trying to create communal tension in an area where the locals, members of the Waqf Board, and all the officials said there was no communal tension at all. I am asking you tonight to tell me, and all the people on News Hour tonight, what was your hidden motive to try and create communal tension in that area? The moment you give us a satisfactory answer, I'll move on. Please tell us.
But give me time also, Arnav.
No, you tell me why.
Yes. I'm telling you. First of all, even your channel projected that there was a nexus between illegal sand mining and her transfer and suspension. She was there for 1 year. She was posted as SDM in
Answer the question. The secretary of the Hazrat Syed Qureshi Committee, which comes under the umbrella body of the UP Sunni Central Waqf Board, told the newspapers, very clearly this, that there was no communal tension in the area. Why were you creating communal trouble by talking about communal tension? What is your political interest?
Yes, Arnab, there have been some communal riots in the past in the SP government. This time the government was proactive. And
there was no communal trouble. You were talking about communal trouble. What was your interest in misrepresenting the situation?
Yes, Arnab, the government goes by the LIU report. There was an LIU report that was placed before the government, and the LIU report clearly stated that if any action is taken, then there is a chance of communal tension, and I can forward you a copy of that.
Please
LIU
understand,
report.
Gaurav.
Secondly,
no, please understand, Gaurav.
Also,
you must be wary. No, one second. Why am I asking you this, Gaurav? Because just because you think, and that local representative of yours thinks.
Please allow me if I can't place the facts.
But Gaurav, just because your local representative believes he is going to get some votes by creating an atmosphere of fear. That is the point.
Arnab.
The point is that I throw back to Rahul Narvekar because Naresh Gujral.
Arnab, this is not fair.
This
is unfair.
You have to listen to the other point of view. You have taken more time than the others. You see, this is exactly the point that Naresh Gujral was talking about. Trying to create an atmosphere of fear.
Arnab, if you
go back to Naresh Gujral.
Question, then you should have
Yes, but I
And
need not
this is
agree with
unfair,
you.
okay? Please
But I need
register
not
my
agree with
protest.
you. I need not
You
agree
might
with
not.
what you say, and I have
On
a
your
right to
channel,
put
with
the
all
question to
humility,
someone
I say,
else.
yes, but
Naresh
you did-
Gujral. Naresh Gujral, did the
But you
Durga
didn't
Shakti
give me a
case
chance
prove
to
or
reply
not
to your question.
how a
That is
political
unfair.
party tries to give a communal twist in order to try and secure a vote bank, which obviously will not work, but in order to try and secure a vote bank? Naresh Gujral.
That is a tragedy. And unfortunately, they create such fear in the minds of the minorities that they are forced to vote a certain way. Why should, whether it's a Gurdwara or a masjid or a mandir, why should they come up on government land illegally? And if a government servant or a civil servant takes action, I think he's doing the right thing or she's doing the right thing. But we are the ones who foment this problem. We are the ones who create this kind of atmosphere. And this is what I mean by politics of fear. So that the minorities then vote a certain way and en masse.
Can I answer?
No, one second. Rahul Narvekar, earlier on the program, Rahul, you heard Sanjay Jha dodge 5 of my questions. And one of my questions...
It's not my responsibility to answer questions that are not relevant to me directly.
You've got the representatives of different political parties. Can I just... Rahul Narvekar, can you tell us what you think is the principal motivation of the Union Minority Affairs Minister who says, and I quote, there is a popular perception that the Indian Mujahideen does not exist. What is the Indian Mujahideen? Nobody knows. A responsible member of the Indian cabinet sworn to the Constitution of India is talking in such a language on a body which has been banned by the United States and the United Kingdom as well, not just India. I don't know what is his motivation, and Sanjay Jha refuses to speak one word on it. Why do you think Sanjay Jha is dodging it,
I think
Rahul?
it's the responsibility of the National Investigation Agency, of the CBI, and everybody who investigates
my
to tell
question-
you of any domestic terror outfit.
I don't know why you are
As a
apprehensive on talking
political
on a
party,
subject.
unless we hear
Really?
something officially.
Political parties have no views on banned organizations.
One minute.
It's a proscribed organization. Do you have a view on a proscribed
All we are
organization?
saying is that we,
Why
at
are
this
you
point
so?
of time,
Why are
one
you so
minute.
apprehensive on talking about the Indian Mujahideen?
We are not. In fact,
You're refusing to 5 times.
No. You asked me different questions. What are
Well,
we saying? We are
No,
saying any
Arnab,
outfit
to
in this
expect the
country,
Congress
any
representative
terror
to
outfit
speak
in
on this
country-
issue is almost impossible.
Rahul, can I just
For the
speak?
simple reason that they have always put political interest over national interest. And I can give you umpteen examples of that. Indian Mujahideen issue is just one of them.
Let's hear. Sanjay, 1 minute.
Same party
Let him speak.
that sat over the execution of Afzal Guru for years together. They have always
Let him
used their
finish now.
political interests
It's not
and put
only
them
that.
ahead of national interest. This is the party that has made a constitutional amendment to overturn the judgment of the apex court for political benefits, for appeasement of certain section of the society.
Okay,
No,
let me
one second. Let's get others in.
Let me answer.
If you look at the
Let him complete. You see, fundamentally, so many critical questions are not being answered. And Devesh Thakur, this is really the irony, isn't it? I mean, you're talking about secular politics and non-secular politics and all these things. But what is binding all secular and non-secular parties together tonight is apparent to me is their search for vote banks using the religious card.
Not at all.
Using the religious...
On behalf of the Congress party on your
one second,
channel, I would like to say that's completely inappropriate and we disagree.
One second.
it is nothing but the pseudo-secular politics of
And
the
you are a
Congress party
pseudo-nationalist,
that is
let him-
destroying
you are a
the
pseudo-nationalist,
secular
Rahul
fabric of this
Narvekar.
country.
No, don't use the word pseudo-secular. You're a pseudo-nationalist along with your partners in the Bharatiya Janata Party. And I want to make a point.
One second.
Bharatiya Janata Party.
One second. You have to answer the questions. You have to answer the question.
Please answer the pointed questions which I put across
You
to
have
you.
to stay. You have
no answer for them.
You see, the problem is one second. Sanjay, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Wait for your turn, please. 1 minute, please. Please. I know you have an alter ego of a television anchor, but you must let me
can
come
I
in
have
once
a
in a while.
question?
No, I have an opinion.
1 minute,
I'm passionate
Sanjay, but you
about it.
can't
Can I make
interrupt
a
all the
small
time.
point?
1 second. Siddharth, before I come to you, I am accusing
Arnab,
every
can I make a
political
small
party
point?
tonight. No, I'm accusing every political party.
You're accusing us unfairly.
Including the Akali Dal. Including the Akali Dal. Which said that, the nation is not being put
Well,
first. Because 1 second, Mr.
and who have celebrated the assassins of Indian leaders.
or you want to take over the role of the anchor?
Peace.
Thank you. So the question here is this to Mr. Gujral is, you approached the president to grant clemency to Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar. This is after the Supreme Court Not before, sir. After the Supreme Court has passed its verdict. In the past, you played politics over Balwant Singh Rajwana. You also have played communal politics. Court has passed its verdict. You went out of your way, Mr. Gujral, to play communal politics at that point of time. You didn't think about the impact on the country. You did not think about the impact on the counter-terror movement or on the armed forces or the security agencies of the country. How different are you, sir, and will you stop doing that?
I will answer your question. What we did was the right of any citizen to ask for clemency from the president. We went on his behalf because we knew that if we did not do so, the whole of Punjab would have been set on fire.
So
we
you
were,
no, by
we
whom?
have faced 10 years of insurgency.
By whom?
One second, let me
By
complete.
Whom? By whom?
We have
So
faced
who
10
runs
years
the
of
government? Why do you
terrorism.
run a government?
We have faced a proxy war. You can't. It's very easy to say you come out with guns. How many thousand people can you kill?
So you too.
When sometimes situations get out of hand. One second. At that time, patience has to be shown. Some kind of diplomacy has to be shown. And that is all. We are not saying that we are against the Supreme Court judgment.
Mr. Gujral, 1 minute. Mr. Gujral, Prakash Singh Badal said, Prakash Singh Badal said there will not be any photograph of anyone in the memorial for Operation Booster. When it was thrown open to the public, everybody knows there was a picture of Bhindranwale which surfaced. And you remember this, there was a plaque carrying his name. No, there was a plaque carrying his name. How is that promoting communal harmony?
Our party, then you would also try to remember that our party took a very strong stand. SGPC
Sir,
took a very strong stand.
that's all symbolism. That's symbolism. That's symbolism.
And it was removed. It is not. We made them remove it.
But point is this.
Face the facts.
Point is, Mr. Gujral, Devinder Pal Singh Bhuttar, Balwant Singh Rajwana, these have been contradictions in your own party's positions.
Now you're moving from one to another.
No, I'm moving to the central issue. I am accusing you of playing communal politics as well.
Yes.
When it has been convenient to you.
Absolutely not. We did not want to, not at all. We did not want to set Punjab on fire. We know what has happened in the past. We have suffered. Punjab has still not recovered from that. So all we said was, if the man has a right for clemency, let it go to the president.
Devesh Thakur, the appeal of most people will be that however compelling your political rationale may be today is not the situation when you need to play the communal card. But there is a growing apprehension, isn't there, Sankarshan, before I go to Devesh Thakur, isn't there a growing apprehension that more and more political parties, especially in Uttar Pradesh, will try and open their innings by being the first to play the communal card? Sankarshan.
I don't know why we are only concentrating on the small fish, Arnab. I mean, if the political discourse of the man who wants to be Prime Minister of this country is going to be Kutte Ka Bachcha and Burqa and all these references every other day, what do you expect the others to do? I mean, the fact is that the political discourse in this country is very, very communally vitiated. We can sit here in television studios and spout piously about this should not be done, that should not be done. But I have my very grave doubts whether any of these discussions is going to have any impact on the course of politics and on the poisonous communal discourse that you are going to see.
Each side is blaming the other.
And I apprehend
each side is blaming the other. Sankarshan, each side is blaming the other. Each side has its each side has its pet likes and dislikes. Each side is blaming the other, and each side is saying because you're communal, I am being forced to be communal. 1 second, 1 minute. What, Sankarshan? Sanjay, wait for it. Sanjay, wait for it.
Sent a message that
Yes, Siddharth, please.
Arnab.
Yeah.
Arnab, I don't know what Shankar Singh understanding is, and I respect him as a journalist, but to say that you are hiding a secularism, you are hiding under a burqa and he takes it differently, it is certainly not the way it is meant to be, what he is thinking, or giving an explanation that you start loving your dog even, or even a small pet or a small something, not a human being, still come under a car, or you look at them, you feel saddened. So I think to that extent it is, but yes, Mr. Shankar Singh is in his own rights to speculate and write big articles and comment in it.
All parties.
I will not get into that
all
debate.
Parties.
But I have a very serious question. I will have a very serious question. I will have a serious question to Mr. Sanjay Jha. I have a serious question to Mr.
ahead.
Sanjay Jha.
Go ahead.
And I hope he answers that.
I'll try.
In a country where the budget is supposed to be for, under secularism, under the constitution, meant for everybody, upliftment of everybody.
No, please.
A government
No, I will not allow it.
communalizes
No, I
the
don't
budget
allow
and
the
says
question. I'm not
it is
allowing the
only for
question. No, no,
90 districts which are dominated by the Muslims. Where do I go? Where does the nation go then?
Sanjay, no, you can't set the terms of the debate, so please, you won't. No, he can ask you, he's not the anchor of the program.
Is a reservation.
1 minute. You
reservation for the Muslims.
This is precise. This is precise. Sanjay, will you stop, please? 1 minute.
The
You will have
whole
to
debate
respect that.
starts on the communalism and secularism.
Once, you know what? You know what?
You stand exposed
So
today.
that is where the whole thing,
and
when
your party stand
Mr.
exposed
Rahman
today
raises
of
an
your
issue
real
and says
hardcore
4.5% is for the
ideology.
Muslims,
It is evident in your choice
and
of Narendra Modi as
Osama
your
bin
key
Laden
man.
is called
It is
Osama
evident
ji
in your choice
by
of Amit
Digvijay
Shah as the
Singh.
man for
I don't know,
Uttar
Sanjay,
Pradesh.
where your party
It
is
is evident
going.
in the way Mr. Mohan Bhagwat has been speaking of the
Now, have
RSS.
you-
It is evident in the way
Sanjay.
Mr. Ashok Singhal of the VHP has been
Come on,
speaking.
you
The
can
country
debate
see it
on
today. And Siddharth Nath, you are
see the
manifesting
problem
that
with Sanjay
same
Jha.
communal
You
hatred that
begin
is
with
now
please,
Gujarat, you end
Sanjay,
with
1 minute.
Nagpur, you have nothing
Sanjay,
else to say.
You know the problem is, 1 second. The problem
Sanjay,
is the,
stop your rhetoric.
don't
Come
play
on,
a fixed
little
match
facts.
here on the news.
And let's pledge
Don't
together.
play the fixed
Let's
match.
pledge together
You
that
are
we will
both
not allow
trying to play a fixed match, and I will not allow you to fix this match. Please stop.
nothing to do with the BJP
Don't-
at all.
Yeah,
We have
so
nothing
then
No,
in
one
let's
minute.
not.
So,
Let's
one-
not fix. Let us fix that we will not allow this communalism to
Sanjay,
dominate this election.
you know, you
Let us
sound-
fix
will you
that
not-
today.
will you not-
Arnab, on your times
Rubbish
now.
when you talk about
I'm willing
and
from the BJP to
communal-
support
Now, will you
it.
both stop, please? For a minute, I request you. The point is this, Devesh Thakur, that I find a great and terrible irony in all of this. And the great irony was exactly what I asked Nitish Kumar when I met him. That, Mr. Nitish Kumar, you have gone out of this alliance talking about Narendra Modi and talking about Gujarat. When you were with the NDA, you yourself said that the Gujarat riots should not be politicized, but that's not my question to you. Do you think every political party in some way, including yours, is playing this religious card so implicitly in this election? For example, what do you think of the Shiv Sena, Mr. Devesh Thakur? Because when Mayaben Kodnani was given a death penalty initially, then the Shiv Sena called it, and I quote, 1 minute, I see your hand go raised. Here to the other side, Rahul Narvekar. Please allow somebody else to comment on the Shiv Sena also once in a while. Because you called
Always by you.
you called seeking the death penalty for Kodnani and Bajrangi, quote unquote, a deadly attack on Hindus who have different expectations from Modi. You're lecturing? No political party today has the right to lecture. After having said that, now I'm getting Devesh Thakur's response to that, then I will come to you. Yes, Devesh Thakur.
Arnab, you just talked about the irony of the situation. The total discussion on this evening from almost all the panelists, maybe except Shankarsan, has been either on a Hindu plank or a Muslim plank. And your discussion, the topic of your discussion was whether the politicians are going out right and left to communalize or secularize the politics. I think there's no doubt about that everyone is out for that, and I don't think anyone is going to stay away from this. The nearer the election comes, everyone is going to target communalism, secularism, and I don't think we can escape from that.
Yeah,
That's
but
the reality of the country.
Mr. Thakur,
everyone is going to say
but
that it's a tragedy, it's a very sad state of
Yes.
affairs, but everyone is doing that and everyone is going to do
but
that more and more.
Mr. Thakur,
There's no
the
doubt about
benefit,
that.
the benefit of having these discussions. The benefit of having these discussions is which whoever is watching today and whoever gets to see this discussion realizes that political parties have a set line. They want to communalize this election. And they will see that there will, next time there is
But
an
that's
implicit
exactly
or
what I'm
underhand
telling you.
attempt. No, when there is
Arnab, that's exactly what I'm telling you.
So when there is an underhand attempt at communalizing the election, I hope
you're
the
wrong.
people will wake up and say, listen, look
You're
here.
wrong here.
Why are you being on the defensive,
Arnab, you're
Siddharth?
wrong
Did I
here.
mention only the BJP? Why are you on the defensive?
No, I'm not.
I said all political
I'm not
parties, but I saw your hand go up.
I'm
Why?
not being defensive. I'm asking you I'm requesting you something. I'm saying on Times Now you have every political party representative let all of us pledge that for this coming election, we all will say we are India first. We will give India first as our motto. And then we will all go ahead in this election.
I know you are about to launch
I
that
think
India
you'll solve
First
your
campaign
problem
for
and let Times
Modi.
Now and Times of India lead this.
And talk of the real issues, which is the economy.
I know the...
And once we say India first, the real issues will come, which is corruption, high inflation, unemployment, economic problem, security problem, and then we will all be able to address together as India first.
Siddharth, the only worst thing than having no intent is to camouflage your intent. I'll come to this later. I'm going one last word to Rahul Narvekar because I asked the question on Mayaben Kodnani. You communalized it to Rahul Narvekar and hence you also have no moral standing today in this debate.
You can endlessly go to draw parallels to balance the debate, but unfortunately your viewers
I have
will not
asked an
accept
equal
it.
question to Congress, Samajwadi Party, BJP, Akali Dal, Shiv Sena and JDU.
I have no problem.
Right? So you can't accuse me. I have asked relevant questions to all.
The word camouflage is you camouflaging the other political parties who are trying to communalize the whole debate.
I have not. And last word to Rahul Narvekar on the Mayaben Kodnani issue. Rahul, your turn. Rahul, are you there?
I think it's developed.
I think we've lost the line. I think we've lost the line, but when we get Rahul Narvekar the next time, we'll give him another opportunity to answer that. For now, tonight, suffice to say once again, an appeal goes out to all the political parties of this country. When Hafiz Saeed is threatening to launch a jihad across the entire country, this is not the time to quibble over communal issues. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.